Welcome to Kid Spark Learns, learning for kids of all ages.
Let's learn about crawling animals, discover creepy crawlies, reptiles, and insects. This is a python.
Yay!
This is a python. A python is a very large snake. It squeezes its prey instead of using venom. Pythons can live in forests, swamps, and grasslands. They eat animals like birds and mammals. Pythons are non-venomous but very strong. This is a turtle.
Yay!
This is a turtle. A turtle has a hard shell that protects its body. It can pull its head and legs inside when it feels danger. Turtles move slowly on land but swim well in water. They live in ponds, rivers, and oceans. Some turtles live for many years. This is a snail.
Yay!
This is a snail. A snail is a small animal with a coiled shell on its back. It moves very slowly using a slimy trail. Snails like damp places and eat plants. They can hide inside their shell when scared. Some snails live in water too. This is a frog.
Yay!
This is a frog. A frog is a jumping animal that lives on land and in water. Frogs have strong back legs for hopping. They lay eggs in water that turn into tadpoles. Frogs eat insects with their long, sticky tongue. Their skin is soft and moist. This is an iguana.
Yay!
This is an iguana. An iguana is a large lizard with a long tail. It lives in trees and near water. Iguanas are mostly plant eaters. They are good swimmers and can stay underwater for minutes. Iguanas like warm, sunny places. This is a crocodile.
Yay!
This is a crocodile. A crocodile is a strong reptile that lives in rivers and swamps. It has sharp teeth and a powerful bite. Crocodiles are great swimmers and hunters. They can stay underwater for a long time. Their thick skin keeps them safe. This is a sea turtle.
Yay!
This is a sea turtle. A sea turtle spends most of its life in the ocean. It has flippers instead of legs for swimming. Female sea turtles lay eggs on sandy beaches. They can swim very far distances. Sea turtles are calm and gentle. This is a millipede.
Yay!
This is a millipede. A millipede is a crawling insect-like animal with many legs. It curls up when it feels danger. Millipedes eat plants and decaying leaves. They move slowly on the ground. Their hard body helps protect them. This is a leech.
Yay!
This is a leech. A leech is a slimy animal that lives in water or wet places. Some leeches suck blood from animals. Others eat tiny plants. They can stretch their body long and thin. Leeches move like inchworms. This is an earthworm.
Yay!
This is an earthworm. An earthworm lives underground in the soil. It has a soft, long, and slimy body. Earthworms eat soil and make it healthy for plants. They help farmers grow crops better. Earthworms come out after rain. This is a king cobra.
Yay!
This is a king cobra. A king cobra is a very large snake. It is venomous and can raise its head high when angry. Cobras spread their hood to scare animals. They eat other snakes and small animals. King cobras live in forests and jungles. This is a lizard.
Yay!
This is a lizard. A lizard has 4 legs and a long tail. Some lizards can climb walls and trees very easily. Many lizards eat insects and small animals. If a lizard loses its tail, it can grow back. They like warm and sunny places. This is a crab.
Yay!
This is a crab. A crab is an animal with a hard shell and 2 claws. It walks sideways on the beach. Crabs live in oceans, rivers, and sometimes on land. They use their claws to eat food. Crabs can hide quickly in sand or rocks. This is a slug.
Yay!
This is a slug. A slug looks like a snail but has no shell. It has a slimy, soft body. Slugs eat plants and leaves. They like to live in cool, wet places. Slugs move very slowly. This is a grub.
Yay!
A grub is the baby stage of a beetle. It has a soft white body and no legs. Grubs live in soil and eat roots. Later, they turn into beetles. Farmers watch them because they can harm plants. This is a Komodo dragon.
Yay!
This is a Komodo dragon. A Komodo dragon is the largest lizard in the world. It lives on islands in Indonesia. Komodos eat meat and are very strong hunters. They have sharp teeth and long tails. Komodo dragons can grow very large. This is a salamander.
Yay!
This is a salamander. A salamander looks like a lizard but has smooth, moist skin. It can live in water and on land. Salamanders eat insects and worms. Some can regrow lost body parts. They like dark and damp places. This is a tortoise.
Yay!
A tortoise is a reptile with a very hard shell. Unlike turtles, it lives only on land. Tortoises move slowly, but can live for many years. They eat plants, fruits, and grass. Some tortoises become very large. This is a chameleon.
Yay!
This is a chameleon. A chameleon is a special lizard that changes its skin color. It has long, sticky tongue to catch insects. Its eyes can move in 2 different directions. This is an alligator.
Yay!
This is an alligator. An alligator looks like a crocodile but has a shorter, wider snout. They live in rivers and lakes. Alligators are powerful swimmers and hunters. They eat fish, birds, and other animals. Their thick skin keeps them safe.
This is a spider.
Yay!
This is a spider. A spider is not an insect but an arachnid with 8 legs. Spiders spin webs to catch insects for food. They come in many sizes and colors.
This is a termite.
Yay!
This is a termite. A termite is a small insect that eats wood. They live in large groups called colonies. Termites build big nests out of mud and wood. They are important recyclers in nature. But they can also damage houses.
Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning videos. Keep smiling, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.